Alright guys, so in the last video, what we did is we made a very simple program to test the user's age. We allowed them to input some number, which was their age, and if it was 18 or greater, we just said you may enter the website. If not, then we said nothing to see here, simple stuff. But now what I want to do is, I want to say this. If they were allowed to enter the website, then let's just go ahead and give them a custom welcome message based on their gender. So of course, we need a variable for gender, name it gender, and we also need a place for them to input it. So we'll just copy this and we'll put something like what is your gender, and make sure to give them options. We'll say M/F because, well, let me go ahead and type this so I don't forget. Gender %C. Now, the reason that you always want to give them options is because if you just ask the question, then some users might type in male, some users might type in dude, some users might just press F. You want to give them one option only on how they're supposed to format their answers. And also, another thing I want to point out, and you guys should probably do this all the time, is sometimes whenever you put this %D for scanf butted right up against a quotation mark, it sometimes can confuse your computer. Not a lot whenever the user's inputting numbers, but especially with characters and like words and stuff like that. So it's common practice, and I'll do it from now on, to add a space between the quotation mark and the percentage sign. Again, it depends on your compiler and all that stuff, but this is kind of behind the scenes stuff. It's always good programming practice to leave that space. Again, your program might work without it, but let's have it anyways. So what we're going to do is, let's go ahead and put our code right in here. So basically, we're going to be putting an if statement inside another if statement. So basically, we're telling our computer to test this thing first, and if it's true, test something else. And of course, we want to test their gender. So if gender is equals to, because we want to make sure it's exactly equal to, and we'll just do we'll say if they entered M first for male, so single quotes M. So right now it says you may enter this website with a space after it, and so let's just go ahead and print out, I don't know, what would you print out for a guy? Something like dude. So, well, let me go ahead and finish this code, and then it'll be easy to see what's going on. Now, if their gender equals F, they must be a girl, so what do we say to them? M'lady. So basically, I'll run this program right now, show you guys a quick example. How old are you? I am 27. What is your gender? I am a male. Hit enter, and it says you may enter this website, dude. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and run that again, and we'll say, okay, but what if, I don't know, it's my sister. How old are you? 15. Hit enter. What is your gender? She is a female. And hit enter one more time. It says nothing to see here, and that other decision never gets made. Because basically what's going to happen is it's going to say, okay, you're not above 18, so I'm going to hop right down here. I'm going to actually skip over all of this crap right here, and I don't even use that gender variable ever again. Now, I'll actually show you guys what I'm talking about right now. Say that we actually didn't use that space, and I know it works on, or it doesn't work on this compiler, and we try to run this program. How old are you? Okay, looking good. 27. Hit enter. Oh, what the heck? It didn't even, it just ran right past that scanf right here, and it didn't even give me another option. So this gender variable never even gets filled. It pretty much is a bug, and it skips over the program. So if you ever, want to make a program with a bug, then that's how you do that. Why would you want to do that? You would never want to do that. So just don't do that. I'm just showing you guys. Make sure you have your spaces in there from now on, and that's what we're going to be doing. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.